Are you on or snagged?
Oh.
Looks like a fish, bro.
It's like a 5 or 6. Oh shit.
Damn.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh fuck.
A toad. Damn, bro. Woo.
Like a 5.
Damn, let me take a picture of that on your phone and send it to me. The fake publicity stuff on Facebook like it costs. Look at it. It's a female, huh? Or a male?
Just that. Might have a bluegill or something.
Hey, definitely take a picture, bro. Damn, this is a fucking giant.
Dude, that's like small for here, man.
You got a camera or a phone? Hell yeah, I'm not gonna catch it. I don't have it. I knew it was gonna be a drop shot there too.